Folks, it's finally happened. I finally flew a drone. After years of being having a little PTSD for drones, watching my friend drop a drone, I finally reviewed them for myself, looking at two from a company called Contixo. That's the F28 at entry level. And then you got the big boy here, the F35, shoots in 4K. In this review, I'm going to show you the first time I ever flew a drone, some of the footage that I was able to capture with this drone of my garden. And then I'm going to even try it with a bike. And of course, you know I crashed it. So we're going to talk a little bit about that as well. So buckle up, folks. Handy Andy is now a drone operator. What could possibly go wrong? You're about to find out. Sit back and relax and watch the world of droning with your boy, Handy Andy. So let's start off the discussion by talking about the Contixo F28. This is the entry level. They even bill it as being good for kids 14 years and up. And I have to say, it is very much an entry level. Look at the controller, super simple. You can't really get much wrong. You put your smartphone in the top, and that's where you would see the video footage because it connects via Wi-Fi. One issue I had with this is my smartphone wanted to keep popping out of that holder. It just really wasn't a good universal fit on there. So smaller phones will probably do good. I have a Pixel 7. I don't know why I had issues with it. But other than that, this was really super simple to operate, and it really gave me a lot of confidence in droning. Then the next one is the F35. This is kind of more the big boy, the big daddy of them all. And if you look at the controller, you'll notice that it's a little more robust. It's got some extra features, and that smartphone holder is way, way better. No issues having my phone locked in there and using the controller. And of course, this shoots in 4K. The question is it a stable image 4K? We're gonna find out. So side by side, if you look at both of these drones, you can kind of see and compare the size difference. They do fold down and go into their own respective cases. So very easy to travel with and take it to a location that you want to get some shots with. But the F35, you can see, is much more robust in terms of the features, the size, and the video quality, and the controller, just overall features. Here's the first time you're looking at your boy, first time flying a drone. Didn't know if I had it in me, but you know what? They make them super user-friendly. It really wants to stay in that one position. And then you basically work with the controllers to kind of figure out how to navigate it. And once you sync it up with your phone, it connects to Wi-Fi. You can get a live stream of the video footage. Clearly, I'm practicing here. It's my first time droning. I'm not getting the best footage ever, but I'm trying to get some good shots of the garden, kind of get nice and close. But I was worried at the same time that I was going to crash it, so I didn't want to get too close. And here I am just trying to familiarize myself with the drone, and I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. I can see myself in my phone while I'm operating the drone. So that was kind of cool. And it gave me kind of confidence in droning. And then here I'm panning with that camera, trying to adjust the camera, which is the little toggle thing on the controller. And I was like, oh, let me see if I can get a nice pan shot of this raised garden bed and all the vegetables that I'm growing in there. It looks kind of cool from overhead. But then I wanted to test it in this more secluded area, and I was reviewing these e-bikes. So I was like, oh, it'd be great if I can get and use the object tracking feature of these drones to become like my cameraman and give me some B-roll with these bikes. But clearly it's having some issues right now. I did put that object detection and built a square around me inside the app, and I'm trying to get it to find me. But if you watch over here, I got it kind of a higher up. The object detection seems to be working. It's moving around and sees me, and then it's like, oh, snap. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Let me just move over and look for him. And then it's like going down. It's like, oh, whoa. There he is. Oh, snap. Where'd he go? This guy's so fast. Look at him. He's just a ninja on a bike, e-bike. So now we're going to try the F35. And this is the more of a bigger version. After using the F28, I did have that confidence of using this. I was like, you know what? It's very transferable in terms of the operations on the control. And here's some 4K B-roll footage of my garden. You have to understand, being a tech guy, being a gardening guy, and getting some like crazy B-roll of your garden like this is just like a dorky thing that I would do. But it was like perfect timing because all the stuff was ready for harvesting, and I wanted to get some good shots before I did the harvest. So got it kind of comfortable, got some good shots. The question was, does this do object detection as well? And here, look at it, it's got me, and then smash! It goes straight by itself right into the hedges. I charged it up, came back the next day, And I was like, let's try this again. And so I was trying to be more careful, put it more in a central location, and just wanted to go around it. And the object detection is working. So I built a square inside the app around me and the bike. And I'm like, yo, check it, follow me. And the drone was doing a decent enough job moving with me, but it's not moving around. So if I was like to take off, it's just gonna just kind of follow me and stay in that one position. There is a GPS mode that would do that, but then I'm riding a bike. I can't really hold the phone at the same time. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get comfortable. Let me just start playing around with this. I'm gonna be like a little kid again and try to like function with this drone and get up close. I can see myself in there, and I'm like, whoa, let me just get this shot. And like, whoa, kind of fun thing to do, I can imagine 15-year-old Andy would be all over this kind of stuff, but I do have confidence. If I come across another higher end drone, I really do feel I can fly it now. I kind of really enjoy it. You just need to be in the right place to try it out. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Contixo drones. If you did, please like, subscribe, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about drones and your experiences using them. If you're a video photographer and use them for getting good shots, I'm always looking for good tips on that as well. Once again, my name is Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from Handy Andy Media. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you again next time, folks. Bye for now.